Friends, welcome in our English composition lecture. Today we are going to learn about making advertisements. Every day we use many products that we buy from shops. These products can range from electronic gadgets to snacks and beverages. We always have our favorites in terms of taste and brand. We learn about these products through the advertisements. Advertisements ads are notice or announcements in a public medium promoting a product, service, or event. So, in the advertisement, how is that pyramid? There is the magazine, billboard, newspaper, print, radio, television, internet. So, through that, all the things we are watching or we are reading that advertisements. They are used to increase sales or promote a product like fast food, clothes and accessories, or even job vacancies. So, advertisements are made for various purposes. They market new products and services to improve business. Ads can be channeled through various mediums like newspaper, magazines, radio, television, billboards, which are hanged in the big cities. You are watching them on the highways also. Ads can be very useful to the producer in boosting sales. They help influence consumer behavior. For example, the purchasing decision of buyer. Ads can also change people's perspective towards a brand service. They are necessary to promote or introduce a new product in the market. They can also spread awareness about social issues. These are some of the most famous ads. I want you. This US Army enlist now. Just do it. Mighty winners. Amul ensures a great final. Coca-Cola, it relieves a fatigue the most refreshing drink in the world. So students, maybe with that all the points you understand about the advertisement and that introduction. We will revise. Ads are public announcements about products, services, job and vacancies. They help promote and boost sales of a product in the turn helping business. Ads can be on paper, television or radio. They are important in influencing buyer behavior. So, I hope students you understood all the points. Students, before that we learn about the introduction about the advertisement. Now there are the two types of advertisement, that is classified advertisement and non-classified advertisement. Now first of all we will learn about the classified advertisement. We use different products every day to make life easier. These products can help make chorus easier or help us cook faster. We come to know of these products through advertisement that we see on TV or read about in the newspapers and magazines. A lot of the information that we receive reaches us through advertisements. Advertisement ads are notices or announcements in a public medium promoting a product, service, or event. They are divided into two types: classified advertisement and non-classified advertisement. So today we will learn more about the classified advertisement. A classified advertisement is a small message or advertisements that is placed in newspapers, magazines, or periodicals. So here is the format of that advertisement: purpose of ad, then title, content, and contact details. These advertisements are usually grouped under certain classifications. They are all present on a separate page in a newspaper or magazine. These newspaper magazines are usually very cheap or free of cost. Now you must be wondering that classified ads are used for. Classified ads are used for many different reasons like recruitment and vacancies. You can see here that example: property or real estate, obituaries, matrimonial, and education, or personal ads also. Other thing to keep in mind: classified ads are text-based ads. Minimum number of words are used as long as the message gets across. The heading ad: the ad needs to be bold and big. Always mention the purpose of the ad before it starts. For example, wanted, available, needed, for sale, like this. So make sure that to proper contact details so that the reader can respond to your ad. Here we given that the Kashish Films, how they given the address, like this you have to give. The sentence used should be compact and precise. So let's students, we will revise once again about the classified advertisement. Classified ads are print ads with a certain purpose like job, vacancies, renting, properties, obituaries, matrimonial, etc. They are text only, no images or designs can be added. The sentences should be short with minimum words. Proper contact details must be provided below with the ad. An example of good classified ad is, here they given job opportunity, so that classified advertisement should be like this. So I hope students you enjoyed that classified advertisements. The next point we are going to learn about non-classified advertisements. We use different products every day to make life a little easier. These products can bring us comfort. They also make us look fashionable and trendy, or quickly fix up something for us to munch on. We find out about these products through ads that we have watched in TV or read about in the papers. These ads helps big and small businesses to market and sell their product. Advertisements or ad are notices or announcements in the public medium promoting a product, service, or event. So there are usually two main types of advertisement that we learn in the previous video also: classified advertisement and non-classified advertisements. So now in this video we are going to learn about the non-classified advertisements. Non-classified ads are more than just text-based ads. They are display ads that include logos, designs, and pictures along with the text. A Big Bazaar ad that you find in your newspaper is an example of non classified ad. Other products like a jewelry and electronics are also example of display ads. Now, what exactly is non-classified display ad? These ads are used to promote commercial products and to launch new ones. They are an important tool in shaping buyer behavior. They are colorful and attractive so as to catch the reader's attention. These ads are visually appealing and have offers that the consumer find irresistible. They have no limit when it comes to size. Display ads can cover an entire page or just a corner also. Different festivals, events can help with the popularity of an ad. When making a display ad, you need to making sure that the ad is attractive and has a catchy tagline. The name of the brand product should be big and bold. Use different sized fonts to create variety and increase the appeal. Make sure you have visual graphics that match your product. Highlight the main offers. Let's see some examples. Here you can see the shoes. Then here you can see the hot saucy Manchurians also. The good news has arrived. So students, let's revise these points once again. Non-classified ads are ads that have graphics, visuals and lots of colors along with the text. They are also known as display ads. They have not set format. Variety and attractiveness are very important. Make sure your product has a good appeal. Choose your target audience wisely. So I hope students you understood all the points about the advertisement, introduction, classified and non-classified advertisement. Thank you. Happy learning.